So I was told to make a video of how bad the snow is, and I'm going to show you. I've been shoveling for the past hour, and I just made this little pathway, this little tunnel to go outside. Let me begin and show you. Alright, opening the door to outside. The white is completely blinding. Okay, you see this? I'm right here next to the snow. I'm 5'6" and a half, and look at this big snow pile. Alright, so shoveling. Believe me, this was not easy to do. 3 feet of snow. Can you see my car over there? That's like a basketball court away. So far, I don't even think I want to even go over there. I'll swim over there if I have to. Alright, so here we are. This is my garbage cans. They're in this industrial recycling bins, so they're big ones. Okay, little pathway, all the way down here. It's a lot faster to walk on it. Alright. And then I went all over here, and I was very ambitious to go out to the road. And this part right here, where I'm standing, okay, this is where I started to kind of wear out and get really tired, but I kept on pushing, and I made it all the way over here. And I'm towards the front, almost towards the street, okay? And I think to myself, damn, what an idiot. This is my front door. I should have made a pathway for my front door instead of the back. So I feel like a stupid right now. It's really bad. There's actually a plow guy going through right there. Very windy. And as you can see, pretty deep. Comparison as I'm walking back. Pretty bad. Almost feel like laying on the snow just to show you how deep it is. You see this? Pretty bad. I'm gonna go back to the view out in the street. So that's a bank right there. Do you think it's shoveled? No. Those are some businesses over there. No. All the way down. People who are driving on the road are crazy. The road, you can't even see it, but it's not even that properly shoveled. Really bad. And I'm getting really jealous of those who have those little snowmobiles, but whatevs. I do what I can. I'm gonna go back in maybe about half an hour and finish this up. I need a little bit of a break.